Hello and Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Ahmad Afandi bin Yusri and I am a project manager and PhD student from USM, and I introducing you my innovation product named Kia Arpoly. Let me introduce you my project advisor Dr. Zohai bin Zainal from University Science Malaysia. Teachers often struggle to find practical and interactive teaching aids for the topic of figurative compound nouns. To address this challenge, the teaching aids known as PIA Kit has been specifically designed and developed. This kit aims to support teachers in teaching figurative compound nouns by enhancing the existing teaching aids by using game-based learning with augmented reality game, incorporating local wisdom, and promoting 21st century skills. The development process followed a design and development approach, which included requirements analysis, design and development, and usability evaluation. Overall, the KI Kit is essential for teachers as it fulfills the necessary elements and assists in teaching figurative compound nouns effectively.
Hello, I want to explain the steps, rules, and how to play Kia AR Polykit. First, players need one smartphone to scan the game board as a marker. Second, players will be asked to enter their name before being able to start the game. Third, players can choose the desired game time period of either 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Fourth, during the game, players have to answer multiple-choice objective questions about figurative plurals within a set time period. Fifth, every correct answer will be given extra points. If the player answers the question incorrectly, no points will be deducted. Sixth, if the player stops at the penalty box while answering the question, points will be deducted. On the other hand, if the player stops on the bonus square, additional points will be awarded. Seventh, players are encouraged to answer as many questions correctly in the allotted time to collect the highest points. Finally, at the end of the game, the player will be able to see the total score obtained. They can choose to play again to improve their score or stop playing.
Siang monopoli, siang Arpoly. Inovasi kata majlis hiasan sangat menarik digunakan kepada murid lab. Bagus untuk mengajar bahasa Melayu, kata-kata majmuk dan juga sejarah kepada mereka. Siang monopoli, siang Arpoly. Inovasi kata majlis hiasan sangat menarik digunakan kepada murid lab.
Ui, voice kok. Level.
Mana pendapat Puan tentang permainan ni?
Permainan ini sangat interaktif dan mampu membantu para guru meningkatkan